Often, when someone inherits a large sum of money as a beneficiary of an estate, they just don't know where the best places are to put their money. Hi, I'm Alex Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, and I've been helping people like you for years figure out how to invest their money in real estate. But my resources don't stop there. Luckily, I have relationships with unbiased financial advisors. They have helped my clients make great decisions on where to put their inheritance. Here are some of the areas you may consider to get the best return on your inheritance money. First, pay down debt like credit cards, student loans, car loans, equity lines or loans, or a second mortgage. Second, college funds for yourself, a child or multiple children, grandchildren, or a spouse. And third, investments like stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and real estate. Now, of course, the last one is something where I happen to have a lot of knowledge. You see, not only am I a realtor, but I'm also an investor. I've invested in properties to flip as well as to buy and hold. And with a bachelor's degree in applied mathematics and statistics, I really know how to crunch some numbers. If you're interested to talk about your investment strategies, contact me now at info@usprobatecourt.com or call 301-200-1232 and ask for Alex Saenger. I'd be happy to help you become a millionaire real estate investor and show you how to flip, hold, and invest in real estate like a pro.